Hey guys, I'm ADR and I've been trading futures, prop firms for the past 2 years. I trade them live here on YouTube every morning from Monday to Thursday. And I've been asked a lot about why, if I'm profitable trading futures with prop firms, why I'm not trading with my own money, why I do not fund my own account. And so I decided to make this little presentation so I can explain you guys why I decided to trade futures using prop firms. Let's start with um, a little disclosure. So this video is for educational and informational purposes only. I am not a financial advisor. Trading involves risk and you can lose your money. Always do your own research before making any trading decisions. I'm here sharing my own personal opinion and experiences, nothing more. Let's start with what it's been happening the past few months on the prop trading industry. We had two guys breaking records on the biggest payout from a firm. We have Trader Kane that made $1.8 million. We have then Kyle that made over $2.5 million, both trading with Apex. And then we had Lanto making $1.4 million in 3 trading days with TPT. So I just wanted to show you guys that making money with prop firm is real. This is not a scam, and people are making crazy amount of money taking advantage of this huge opportunity that is trading with prop firms, right? So let's start with the basics. What are prop firms? So a futures prop firm is in a few words, is a company that lets you trade with sim accounts instead of your own. You buy an evaluation account, you pass that evaluation account, and then you get funded. Pretty simple, right? What are the rules? Each prop have their own rules, pros and cons, but they all basically work like this. Typically, you keep 90% of the profits. The firm take the loss, not you. You're gonna see that later in the video. And I believe it's an amazing opportunity if you know how to use them the right way. Prop firms versus personal accounts. With prop firms, you use the prop firm's money. With personal account, you use your own money. You need to fund your own account. The risk with prop firms is limited because you only lose how much you pay for a evaluation account, right? Or a funded account. With personal accounts, every single trade that you take that is red, you're gonna be losing money. Profit split. With prop firms, you keep a portion, like 80-90%. It depends of the prop firm that you're using, and the firm keeps the rest. With personal account, you keep 100% of the profits. Rules with prop firms, they have rules like max loss, daily drawdown, consistency. Some prop firms are gonna tell you to not trade during news or data. With personal accounts, you make your own rules, total freedom. Funding size, it depends on what account size you're buying. With a prop firm, it can be between 50K and 300K. And with a personal account, depends on your savings or deposits. The cost, with prop firm, monthly challenge fees, or if you lose the account, you blow up the account, you gotta buy it again, you pretty much reset it. With personal accounts, you're gonna have brokerage fees, margin requirements, but no recurring challenges. Payouts with prop firm, withdrawals often on a schedule, can be every 5 days, bi-weekly, depends on the prop you're using. With a personal account, you can withdraw whenever you want, it's your money. The top props in the industry right now are Apex, TPT, Tradeify, My Funded Futures, and Top Step. I personally use the top three. If I'm gonna make more videos about each one of these props and why I use them, but if you wanna do your own little research, you have the link down below. Also, you have my discount code. For Apex, it can be up to 90% off. With TPT, 40% off. And with Tradeify, it can be up to 40% off. So how it works. You don't need a large capital to make a full-time income with PropFirm. And this is an example of a 50K account, which are the ones that I use the most. First, you buy an eval. It's gonna be between 35-90% to get an evaluation account. Then you need to pass that evaluation account. Most of the time for the 50K accounts, you're gonna have a $3,000 profit target to pass the eval, and if you pass it, you qualify for a funded account. For the funded accounts, congrats, you passed the eval, you know how to trade. The firm give you a funded account, you trade just like you did on the eval account. Just after building a profit buffer, you can start applying for payment. But if you hit the loss limit, you may lose the account, and then you need to start all over again and buying an eval. Some prop firms allow you to reset your funded account also, so you don't waste time with an eval again. And payouts, you follow the rules, you get paid fast. The profit splits, it's between 80-20 or 90-10. It depends on the prop. So basically, you buy an eval, you pass that eval, and then you get a funded account, you follow the rules, and then you apply for payments. Here, I'm gonna start showing you how I use PropFirm, how I take advantage of PropFirms. This is a month of trading simple base hits type of trade, and I take a piece of the move. I don't need to take a huge size on my trades because I'm not looking for home runs. I'm only looking for small parts of the move, and I'm done with my day, right? So in this month, I made almost $70,000 copy trading with 20 accounts from Apex. I spent around $1,500, and I got a 4,600 return of my investment. I'm gonna show you guys how. So I leverage prop firms by copy trading multiple accounts, allowing me to spread out my risk and lower the exposure per account per trades. I just want to take a little piece of the pie and then be done with my day. So how I do this is I copy trade with 20 Apex accounts. If you guys see here, you can see that I made a little bit over $300 per trade. So because I'm copy trading with 20 accounts, I was able to make a little bit over $6,000, right? So what is copy trading? Copy trading here means you trade or one account trades and replicates those trades into another account or multiple accounts. So for prop firms, it means I'm trading in groups. What it means is whenever I click buy or sell, I'm copy trading those buy clicks or sell clicks with 20 accounts. Therefore, whatever I made or lose with that trade, it's gonna multiply by 20. Right? So here I made a little bit over $300. It was 6.2K. Here I was copy trading also with 20 accounts. I made a little bit over $600 per account. So why trading in groups with 20 Apex account and not just do that trade with just one account, right? So why, instead of having 20 accounts and copy trading with 20 accounts, why not just buying 20 contracts in one account, right? The way that this works is like you are spreading your risk across multiple accounts. One trade is mirrored on all of them. So the key is that you only risked 200 overall, since each account uses just a small percentage of its balance. So to make that same $4,000 on a single account, you have to risk a much larger position of your capital. And that could easily end up costing you the account if that trade goes against you. Here it's another example of me copy trading with 20 accounts, only making a little bit over 200 bucks. That's over $4,000 with one small trade, making just a base hits type of trade, quick scalp. I'm in and out, and I'm done with my trading, done with my day. I'm not here sitting all day watching charts, right? So what happened if I'm red in the day? What happened if I take a trade and it goes south? So this day I lost 755 per account. I was copy trading with 20 accounts also. That means I lost over 15K. But the good thing, because I'm trading with a prop firm, I did not lose $1. No, $1, because I did not blow off my account. With a personal account, that would be something completely different, because I'll be losing 15K, right? So looking at this month, you guys can see that I had 2 red days. Those red days were bigger than I wanted to, but the good thing is, like, I did not lose any money because I did not lost the account. It was only a red day that, yes, is a step back on building the buffer on my account, but I did not lose $28,000. I did not lose 15K, which it would have been a very significant amount of money if I was trading and losing over $28,000 with my own account. In this example, I did not lose any of my account, and I did not lose any of my own money. It was just a step back on building the buffer that I need on these accounts to be able to apply for payment. So copy trading with 20 accounts, I paid $35 per account, per eval account, and I paid 40 bucks per funded account. If you multiply $75 per account, that means I only put 1,500 for 20 accounts and made 4,600% return into my investment, because I made almost $70,000 just copy trading with 20 accounts, taking a small base hits type of trade, and be done with my day. So most of the times you guys see me trading in the morning here on YouTube, because I trade live from Monday till Thursday at 9:30 Eastern time, and I'm just taking small scalps here and there, copy trading with 20 accounts, and I'm done. I trade for like 1 hour and a half, 2 hours in the morning, and then I'm just done with my days. So now, I'm not saying if you start using prop firms, you're gonna make $1 million, $2 million the next day, but I do think it's an amazing opportunity, and I think it's worth just try it out, right? Thank you guys. If you like more videos like this, just make sure to like the video. If you have any questions or you want me to make more videos like this, make sure to comment down below. See you on the streams. Bye. Morning, guys. Hello, hello. Do you guys like the presentation that I did for you guys? Morning, morning. I'll be doing more videos like that. Just be patient with me. Mhm. And also, I'll make that presentation a video. So, I'll do more like that. I'm planning on doing more for explaining Apex, TPT, Tradeify, which are the three broad firms that I used every single day. And also, I'm gonna explain you guys what exactly how I use them all three together. So more videos like that are coming up. Make sure uh to comment and like those videos so I know you guys like it. It was live, but I'm gonna later today I'm gonna make it a video of its own. So you guys will have it later today. Yeah, I'm gonna post it later today.
Hi.
Hola,
You're low.
morning.
So using the 30-minute, that would be the shit, we're open. The 1:30 candle to, I'm sorry, no, the 11 a.m. candle all the way up to the 13:30 candle.
Mm-hmm.
Why is my
Anyway,
POC
that's what.
showing? My POC showing 6669 as the
Are you
my
using
volume. Am I using what?
Trading View or Top Step? Yes.
Trading View.
Maybe that's why I have TOS. But
Okay.
anyway,
Yeah, I mean I can do it on TOS as well. Actually, do
I
that.
use TradingView. What problem are you having, Case?
Good old TOS.
Hola.
buenos días.
Buenos días.
¿Qué tal?
Good morning.
So we have Nvidia earnings today. We have FOMC minutes, and tomorrow we have a bunch of data coming up. I'm expecting a kind of choppy day.
Yeah, I agree.
Yeah.
I heard Apex is still down.
Damn. They must have really gotten hit.
Yeah.
Jeez.
I need to log in and see. I think I can apply for payments. I think it was like yesterday, but I need to see what's my buffer and how many days I have.
I mean, you can just check Tradeovate for that, right? No?
Mm, I don't know. Maybe. Well, I can see my buffer,
You
yes,
know, you
but
can you can add a line to your what do you call it? Tradeovate that shows you your buffer.
yeah, I can see my buffer, but I don't know if I have the 8 days of trading.
Ah, gotcha. Yeah, that's different.
Technically, you need
That's
5,
different.
but yeah.
But they require 8,
Yeah,
right?
so you
So
you you can
Yeah.
trade 5 and then you flip 3.
yeah,
You only need to make
I actually
50
ended up getting.
bucks the days that you flip.
Okay, gotcha.
Mm-hmm.
I ended up getting my accounts again last night. So it was like 2 a.m. though. I was up. Gold was moving last night pretty nicely. So was NQ.
I don't really I honestly I close my charts and I don't really check the charts at night.
No. Yeah, it's just slower. It's different. It's kind of better, I guess. The moves are a little bit more predictable.
A reclaim on 80 in London was cute. Was sexy. Reclaim, retested, was clean.
Yeah.
I kind of expecting a little bounce day, but I don't know.
I think we're kind of overdue at this point, right?
Mm. Nice 600 hold here on NQ and 640 hold on ES.
Let me see where SPX is. Yeah, everything's holding. All the Max 7 are holding, so they're
Yeah.
ranging at
Well,
least. They're
Amazon's
not
pretty
really
weak,
holding.
but yeah. Nvidia's holding pretty good.
Yeah,
Apple
I mean,
holding pretty good. Microsoft kind of
yeah.
reacting resistance.
Tesla does its own shit. You can't take that into
Yeah.
account.
I don't really check Tesla unless like the only thing that I do with Tesla is like once every few days I check the chart and then I put alerts whenever I feel like it could give me an A plus setup and then forget about it. But some people trade Tesla every single day.
I cannot stand that damn stock.
Yeah.
That's too much stress.
It does
And
have
nice
bearing on
bounce.
NQ.
Yep.
Yeah. Tonight is gonna be interesting though.
Mm-hmm.
We'll see.
I might try tonight, and I'm here talking,
Oh man.
saying that I don't trade after the market closes, but I might do it today.
Oh boy.
Asia lately is really nice. Before Asia open is different. It's too slow.
I don't even know what time is Asia Open or London.
8 p.m.
But
Okay.
open at 8.
London opens at 2 a.m.
Okay. So when I started trading futures, you know that people would say that futures open 24/7. So I started trading
Yeah.
around, I think I was around 7, 8, and it was so slow and so boring that most of the time I just closed my trades red because I could not stand that PA.
Oh no. Global market opens is like filling orders that they didn't fill while the market was open. So
Yeah.
anything move it, and like I don't trust anything, so I don't trade it. But some
Yeah, that
lately,
works.
yeah, lately it been really nice moves on Asia, and it's moving like New York and clear since New York being patchy.
Do we have data today?
Um,
Mm,
minutes at 2 p.m.
Oh yeah.
5 minutes. The market don't really care about that. Main event is Nvidia. Guys, you see what I mean? That I don't like to trade gold when it's in this type of ranges.
yeah, it's.
I'm
I
watching
mean,
here
Like
41.
120. 120 on gold. If can hold
yeah,
Mm-hmm.
I'm
120,
waiting
looks
for
like it can break out.
141. Yeah, to 50, 48, 50, maybe higher. But when
Looks
you
like it
get to
worked
this,
it.
yeah, if we reclaim 21, I'm all over it. But where it is right now,
Yeah.
unless it go down or reclaim, I'm not touching it. I like fluid moves in and out.
Okay, so far we have a nice hold on NQ and ES. Where is X?
I don't know. You're right.
He said that he was in a meeting.
Oh,
Yeah, he's gonna be
Yeah,
here soon.
probably getting coffee.
okay. If NQ can hold 734, 735, um, I'll be interesting. I'll be interested for a long. That's around 600 on QQQ.
Yeah. I mean, Apple's recovering. Nvidia's recovering. SMH, Google, Microsoft's just ranging.
Man, Meta is
Amazon's
dead.
getting hit. Day looks like a day that you should just went long at
Mm-hmm.
open. That's it. You
Yep.
missed it if you didn't.
That gap below on D-Dog, yeah, it could be interesting to see how it's gonna react after filling the gap, but I'm not looking to trade the move to the downside, to be honest. But it looks pretty good because it's rejecting 117, 177, 180. So I think under 180, D-Dog looks bearish, but I'm not looking to trade that gap fill. Whoa, okay.
That would be Apple.
Oh yeah.
I'll be back.
Why is
Did it
Apple?
finally break the range?
It's inside the range. Okay, it's nice. 670 rejection on ES. So I have ES right at resistance, and I have QQQ at support. NQ at support.
If I give ES retest 55 to 50 zone at what time longs?
Really nice 730 hold on NQ. But we have ES reacting pre-market high, and so far NQ is using it as support. So which one is gonna win here? Really nice break and retest here on NQ. I want to see ES using 670 as support.
What a pump.
Yep.
We need a pullback.
But the volume is not that strong on that pump.
Not bad, but you're showing signs of recovery, you know?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Fix is dumping, which is good.
Yeah, I was expecting this. Little bit choppy, but I was expecting at least a morning bounce.
Yeah. No, you know what Friday is?
What?
Tropics.
Oh. Hmm.
Yep. Options expirations.
And today or Friday?
Friday.
Bull trap? I don't think it's a bull trap, to be honest. I think is a just a bounce after having how many days down? How many days we had down? We have a few.
Like 5.
Yeah, 5 days.
Like
It
today.
is pretty normal to bounce after such a big move to the downside. In fact, we started moving to the downside on the 29th. We have 1, 2, 3 days red, and then we bounce the next one, and then again 3, 4 days red, and then we bounce, and then again. So it's pretty normal. The bounce day. That's healthy. I like this pullback on NQ, but the problem that I have is that yes, it's rejecting pre-market high. NQ is using it as support. I'm gonna try some ES loans with micros. I like that hold. Look at NQ. NQ is flying. Nvidia is moving pretty nice. Same thing with Apple. I was too slow, so I only bought 6 micros, 6 mass. And I wanted to get 15. Thank you, flying.
Yeah.
Okay,
Forgot to plot my damn. Forgot to plot my spy levels. Shit.
pretty nice.
This 830 up here is yesterday's opening high of the candle. So it'll be an interesting sweep.
I'm gonna start locking some profits here. Sending one more, holding one. Because we just hit my PT on NQ. You can definitely go a little bit higher to 861 maybe. But I'm happy with my trade.
Guys, if I get a break in a retest of 20 to 21 on gold, I'm gonna go long.
I'm all out. Beautiful.
Yeah.
That was nice. I'm sad that I wasn't able to buy all the micros that I wanted, but it was a pretty clean trade. I was only able to get 6. I wanted to get a 15. Whatever. I find so much consistency, a lot more consistency, and I also feel like I'm better psychologically trading ES instead of NQ.
Yeah. NQ will just give you a heart attack
Mm-hmm.
with its moves.
Yeah. That was perfect. Beautiful. Mm.
Yeah, be careful up here on with SPY though.
Oh yeah.
It's at PDH.
Yeah, I'm already out.
Yeah.
Okay, so gold broke my level. Let's
Damn.
see.
Holy shit.
Yeah, it's breaking out. 110, 120
I
break
am
and
long.
retest and pull back to 120 or close to 120. That could be a nice entry.
Yeah, 123 that's the pre-market resistance.
Yeah.
I went in 27 point, sorry, 22.7.
I'd be careful at 130 though. That's a previous day low
Yeah,
that hasn't tested yet.
I have a sell order at 28. I would just leave a runner.
Good morning. Good morning.
Morning.
Oh, snap.
The pump.
Yep.
Good Lord. Okay. Anybody get any longs?
I did. Already out.
Queen.
Nice, nice, nice.
I am currently long GC.
Oh, gold. I haven't looked at gold yet. What's gold doing?
It's
Okay.
holding.
Straight barcode for since 8 a.m., right? Pretty much.
Yeah.
I guess not. I mean, I say barcode. It's really, I mean, it's actually a decent move.
Whoa.
Well, 15 points, right? Went up there, but geez Louise. God dang. And Q and ES are just going.
Just
But
gets the people
today
going.
it's been very, very clean. Like NQ holding 600 and then doing a break and retest off of pre-market high. ES holding 640, same level from yesterday, and then doing a break and retest of pre-market high. So pretty clean so
I
far.
am I am down to one runner. My
Whoa.
stop is now above 25. Exactly at 25.
Um, yeah, nice, nice bounce.
Oh, 10 o'clock.
We're technically still on a downtrend overall if we look at the daily or weekly time frame on ES and NQ. So unless we make a higher high, we're still on a downtrend. But nice, really beautiful relief bounce today.
Well, today I guess you want to look for longs, at
Yeah.
least if it pulls back to a good level.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, definitely.
SPY definitely swept. SPY got over PDH, but it could be a sweep, so you got to be careful up here, regardless.
Okay, I broke previous high. Oh, it has a lot of resistance where it is right now. NQ flying.
Apex looks like it's back up.
Okay. Thank you.
Really? What has it been, a day and a half?
Yeah. Still a couple more points on ES to 97.25 or so.
955, 959, around the 50s. It's the next big resistance that I have on NQ.
Mm.
But yeah, we need pullbacks. I only have green candles. 840, 860 pullback on NQ would be nice. 688 would be nice on ES. EC coming back down for the retest. Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Let's see. Okay, I got my alert there. Let's see if it's gonna hold 120 or above.
You want 120 is what I'm looking for.
Yeah. I like that hold. I'm gonna try it out. I'm gonna try one.
Wanted to go a little bit lower,
Yeah.
if I'm being honest. It's a good hold though.
It goes down to 120 and add in one more.
It goes 6,700 on ES. Can hit cycle level.
Mm-hmm.
Come on, ES, pull back.
It's like a 85, 87, 88 pullback, something like that on ES.
Yeah.
I'd probably take it if it pulled back to 88. Stop below maybe 82-ish.
She's still not ready though.
Okay, I like that bounce on gold. I got a 1 micro. I wanted to see it going a little lower and add a 1 more.
Yeah, something lower too. Mm. One of those days where you have to just buy and hold.
It's hard to buy and hold lately.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Um,
Yeah.
if we reclaim 29, we're gonna fly. Sorry, I was watching the tape.
That was a pullback on ES. I took shorts up there. Little 300.
Nice. That's all you need. Base hits.
Yeah, that's just one account. What's that new what do you call it? Fund it next?
Mm-hmm. I've never used
Hmm?
them.
X uses them. He says they're pretty legit.
Yep. Yep, I use them. I have my fund next. I have one of my fundeds open right now. So I'm gonna trade. Well, that's right. My hope is to trade that today, but we'll see.
Yeah. I just took a trade on that one. 360 on it.
Oh, nice. I wanted more of a pullback. It wasn't enough.
It's not ready yet. She's not ready yet.
GC
You're
interesting.
talking a pullback when VIX starts to curl and it's not doing it yet. And when Apple and SMH and Google and all those start slowing down, it's when you're gonna see the pullback. Still not there.
Watch into 6709 and watch into 960. Watching gold right now. I don't know if I love the lower high that it's set on the 2 minute, but I'm watching it.
I watched the 3 minute and the 10 minute. And then I also have a 5 minute chart on TOS with levels that I'm looking at.
Come to 20. Come to 20, GC. Let's see what happens.
If this 30-minute candle on gold closes holding 120, I think it's crazy bullish.
Yep.
I think we're all waiting for this pullback on ES, huh? Shit. Do, 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 do. Listen to Desi on my headphones. He's happy now. He made money.
What did he
Good,
trade today?
good, good, good.
APP?
Okay.
Mm.
He has a bunch of new members, so he must feel the pressure today.
Yeah. Is that why we got kicked to the curb
Mm,
today?
yep.
He's like, we don't need you.
Yeah, a bunch of new people that would have been like so lost and asking pretty much the same questions over and over again. It's a lot of work.
Nice holder in GC.
Yep. Nice.
A
Yeah.
beautiful
Daniel,
holder in GC. Wow. Nice.
Yep.
I want to answer
Beautiful.
Daniel's question about chasing. I wouldn't
Beautiful.
chase. You want to wait for a pullback. You're kind of chasing at a level where it could start rejecting.
Yeah, this is not the time to be entering right
On
No,
now.
NQ and
Right, in terms
ES?
of like
Yeah, no.
NQ. Don't no,
That's
don't
how
don't
you get
touch that.
smacked.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's exactly what happens. You got to be careful.
Yeah.
I'm down to one gold.
Nice.
This this isn't like a this isn't like a college party. You want to be fashionably late. You don't want to be late at all. Right? Like being late is bad news.
Yeah. Yeah, for me, like
So
for the way that I trade, for me, ES and NQ are more are gone, and if it wasn't because I took a trade earlier, I'll be out of here. Like I cannot trade these NQ and ES. They're up too much for me to take any
yeah,
trades
yeah.
here. And
I
I
agree.
don't want to go short on a very strong day.
Yeah, you want to pull back.
Yeah, this is normally a spot where NQ is that I would tend to consider shorting on a day that is not today,
Yeah.
right? Because we're pushing into the previous day high. If you look at Tuesday morning, right, that was 960. You can see on Monday we bounced off 961, 2, 3 multiple times before we pushed down, pushed back up until it rejected it, and now we are pushing back into it. This would be a spot where I would tend to think, okay, this could be a good rejection point. But the amount of upside we've had, how bullish this is, there's no chance I'm trying to catch the reverse
Yeah.
of the falling knife, right? I'm not doing that.
Gold has like room up to like 40 right now. Shit.
I think I have
You
150.
in
Let me
one
let me
micro
check.
still?
Yeah, 150. 150, and then honestly, I I should have taken this with options because we could see 212 again, 210, 212. If you can break 150, 160, I think it's gonna go to 200, over 200.
I am with options at 384 and the 26. I
You
went
are with
small.
options?
Um,
Yep.
yeah, yesterday I've been doing a strangle with GDL.
Mm,
I used to do it with a spy, but now I'm doing it with GDL. Tuesday I let Monday pass, and based on the Monday PA, I made it strangle.
You strangled somebody? What?
No, strangle is buying gold. I mean calls and
I just
shorts.
I'm just playing with it.
Yeah. Daniel, it's possible the 4130 entry. However, I will not entry there right now because it's already rejected. And we enter gold on the retest of 20.
yeah. It
My
could
stop is at
retest
25.
120, but it doesn't look like wants to. We'll see.
Yeah, he's looking into entering at 30.
Yeah. It could. Yeah, I see it why, but I never like entering anything if it's not right at my level. Like if
Me
I didn't
too.
enter at 120 or near 120, I cannot enter it here, even though I see the 130 so
Now,
possible support.
Yeah, I
yeah,
like
I was gonna say
manual.
I could see 130 being a support, right? But I think what you're trying to do now is you realize you missed the first entry and now you're just trying to find the next one. And
Yeah.
that can feel like a force,
Yeah.
right? You got to be careful. You
Yeah,
see a little
but it's
pullback and it can work, but careful.
NQ
Yeah,
but
rejecting
then
it
you
works
have
one
to
time. So
25K.
you what's that?
NQ rejecting
that
25K.
if he entered,
I'm sorry, I didn't hear anybody.
go ahead,
NQ
ADR.
NQ just rejected 25K.
Okay. Yeah.
Also
And
keep an eye though on the retest of 5700. That is a psych level. That is a level on ES to watch. We are pushing down back into it. Um, so we're kind of conflicting, right?
Mm-hmm.
It's a big level. 25K is a huge level too, right? So which one is going to show their teeth first, I think, is what you're trying to figure out now.
Daniel, and if you enter there, you have to give it at least to 20 so it can validate your trade. And that's 10 point based on the amount of contract that you go in, it could be heavy.
Yeah,
It could be too much risk.
especially with gold.
Gold is not the market you fight with.
Gold will eat your account alive.
I like this gold consolidation above 120.
Oh, that was interesting, right? Because what we saw happen, or at least for now, still early, right? 6700 was the one that held, right? So we're now going to probably go test 25K, like really test it,
Mm-hmm.
see what happens there. But yeah, that was for me. Which one is going to show first, right? We can hold that.
Show yourself, NQ. Show yourself.
Do it.
Just drop 200 points in one candle.
You're not asking for too much, huh?
A pullback to 840, 850 will be nice.
I don't know how you guys trade NQ. Like that shit gives
I'm
me
not going to.
anxiety.
I'm pretty much done with ES and NQ today. I'm only here watching gold, and that's it.
Anxiety.
Go to the rescue.
Yep.
Gold keeps rejecting this 130 PDL.
Yep.
Careful. Untested
Let's see
until
if,
now. Until today.
ES can slip this too.
Nas crack. For real, dude. We want ES to go down though.
NQ
Okay.
definitely looks like wants more downside. Same thing with ES. Those 5 minute candles at the
Yeah,
top
ES
are
is
ugly.
yeah.
Definitely looking toppy toppy.
Gold is getting heavier,
Yeah.
but buyers and sellers are fighting. Let's see.
Come on, gold, hurry up. I need to pee.
We can go. It's consolidating. It's not doing anything.
Yeah, but I want to see if it's gonna pull back to 120, but I want to see how it's gonna pull back. Is it gonna pull back slowly, consolidating up, holding 120, or we're gonna have a nasty red candle and break
Yeah.
120?
If it gets inside that channel, the trap zone that we've been having since mid London, I don't like it.
Yeah,
At
me
least for
neither.
long. Into like 90, 91 to 80.
Come on, NASCRAC. It's still a nice pullback on ES. First
I
pullback.
would like to see more.
Really. Yeah.
And I guess
You'll get more.
6690 at least.
Apple's still going. Nvidia's still going. SMH is still going. There's no shorts yet,
Yeah.
especially with Apple moving. Like Apple's the biggest, one of the biggest ones on in SPY. So
Okay, let's see if it's gonna hold. I don't like it. I don't love it, but we'll see.
a move down to PDH would be nice. 20, 13, 13. NQ missed 500 by a few. Apple's starting to slow down a little bit.
I am not in love with it.
Daniel, I want you to start telling us why you think that level is valid rather than asking if 4120 it is the level.
Yeah.
Yeah, you gotta work on your patience, dude. Like
Okay,
if you're
120.
looking for an entry now,
I want to see it hold in here.
it is a valid, yeah, it is a valid area. But you want to see it hold now. You can't just go into it because it hit. So
Yeah. Like right now, right? Gold is at 120, but is this a candlestick? At least I'm watching the 5 minutes. Is this a candlestick that you want to buy it, or you want to wait and see some type of reaction there, some type of bounce? Like something that is telling you that it's going to hold that level. I cannot just buy here just because it's at 120.
like it is holding. If you
Yeah,
look
it's
at the
holding.
one
So
minute,
now I like that candlestick, how it's looking.
yeah. But now I
Oh,
don't.
now
Like look
no.
at that. It's just, it's reading
This is
price
a
action is the
5 minute.
toughest thing you're gonna do.
Yeah. But
Let's
this
see
is
what
a
a five
perfect
minute.
example of how to be like patient and really waiting. Just because it's a level that we like doesn't mean I'm gonna buy here or add one more. I need to see something that is bullish.
Coincidentally, we'll see what happens here. But NQ has been holding up right up here. We'll see what happens below 935, 940-ish here. See if we can kind of push down below that. But as ES has been slipping, NQ's been sitting here.
Say that gold has a gap between 16 and like 16.4,
I don't like this move.
16.4. So it may
I'm out.
go fill that little gap that it has.
I'm waiting for this candle to close.
Yep. One more minute. We'll see the 30-minute and the 15, the 5, the 2, they'll all close.
Yeah, I don't like that. We'll see.
Trump just tweeted something.
Oh, that
Okay,
usually
bye.
helps.
I don't like that. If I see a bounce and hold 120, I might re-enter. But I don't like that.
So that was interesting. I think he's gonna get back over like the 75-ish area.
Thank you and ES are holding very nice. Yeah. Yep, I don't like that move.
No. Even though 15 is the top of the orb, the 5-minute orb in DC, but
Okay.
Damn.
there's no fire.
They went to fill that
So
little gap.
there's a lot of
There's a
412
2 minute.
to 416 has a lot of volume, right? Whereas had a lot of volume traded there, so that's an interesting volume shelf that we pushed into on gold.
I will say I actually started taking calls up there, down there, at that 416, at that gap level that I told you guys about,
Mm-hmm.
and it shot up.
Kind of like the NQ short.
So gonna get out at like 20. Man, I'll hold it through 20. See if it wants to go back up again. Stop me up.
Yeah, 110 could be another level that gold could go, but I don't like the lower highs and lower lows. Like I really wanted to
Yeah.
see pull back to 120 and consolidation holding that. That's pre-market high.
I kind of like this pulling back. I want to see a full test of 80 on New York. At least 90 to 80. That zone.
Talking about ES?
No, gold. The fact that
You want it to
it's
go back
holding,
all the way down to 80?
yeah.
Like, damn,
Like
that's
where
a
it is right now, I don't like good longs.
no.
Personally, for me, I want to see it. If we lose 20, though the buyers are not that strong,
Yeah.
the 30-minute candle got below 20. It opened below 20.
I'll be back.
So I would like to see if sometime today or this week we need to retest that area.
Gotcha.
Nice NQ reaction. Gold trying to hold, but I still wanted to see it holding 120. The 30-minute candle is looking
Well, it's
really good.
9:30-ish.
Okay, that's much better. I'm gonna go long again. I like
That was a nice
how
deeper
the
pull.
30-minute candles are looking.
I'll watch 24.9 if we get down there just to see what we do. We could slip a little bit lower, looking maybe like an 875-ish, 870.
And gold is playing with people's emotions right now.
I
Shit.
know, it's playing with my emotions. Yeah, I'm long
I
on
missed it. I had an
gold.
order at 905, 910. Damn.
Yeah, I don't like that reaction. Okay, if breaks previous 5-minute candle low, I'm out and done. It's about to stop me out. Yep, I got stop out there. Yikes. So gold is going down, NQ going down, and ES is going down.
I want to see NQ down to 70. Now I want to see a breakdown below 900 pretty violently here.
I'm
My short
done
is starting to
with
pay off.
gold today.
You just want to see the world burn, huh? X.
No, I don't. Definitely don't. My long term doesn't want that to happen at all. But I wouldn't mind a little short term slip. Again, 900 can hold, but if we can
Well,
snap it, we get down below.
You're right. This guy right here.
For now, yes. Let's go with that. Let's get down to 895 real quick. Let's do a pop down to 895. I'll take some off there.
Oh no, ADR.
I'm still green
Don't hold 900.
because of the ES trade that I did before, but yeah, I gave back pretty much half of that trade.
895. Let's go do it. Take it real fast.
Is what
Oh, don't play games, you.
It's at PDH, bro.
Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah. So I wanted a quick slam through 900 for a good 5, 6 extra points. And maybe I'm being too greedy. Possible.
Hmm.
Oh my God. I'm gonna lose it by 2 points. That's gonna be upsetting.
I think Enkin can go a little
It's
bit
at
lower. It's very far from the
I think so
QQQ
too.
VWAP.
I think we got room down. See what happens. It's gonna go down right now. It's happening. It's happening. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Okay. 3, 2, 1. There it is. There it is now. Took that one off. To the
Flash
friggin'
point.
tick. What'd you say? 800? I mean, let's not get
Yeah,
crazy.
and Q. That's 100 points. That's nothing.
I like it. I like Yankee. If it can go down to 850, 840.
Yep. Okay, all right. Just move my last stop down. Move it to 920. Well, my last micro got taken out there. Unfortunate, because it's going to go straight down now. That's how that works. I swear to God.
Hmm.
920 was my stop. 923 we hit. Now we're going to go right down to 880. Mm-hmm. Sure. Sure.
Yeah, 850, 840 is what I'm looking for here. That was a beautiful short. Both ES and NQ were
Yep.
showing clear signs of reaction.
All right, so what am I looking for next? Let's take a look. Um, 6670 would be pretty, but we definitely could hold at 80, right? So watch for 6680. NQ. What do you want to do? 840, 850, maybe?
Yeah.
Next.
Mm-hmm.
BWAP hold on GC. The
GC we haven't looked in a
4100,
while. Oh,
40, the 4100 is finding buyers. It just
just watch GC back into 1415. Yeah, it was a volume shelf, right? We held it earlier. No, we pushed back through. So I'd be curious if we get back up into it, what happens?
someone is holding 4100 at Iceberg. He just 125 lots, exactly at 4100 pumps, and then take the order out.
Okay, I like that pullback.
Okay.
Come on, keep going lower. A little bit more.
Didn't get didn't get down to where I wanted it. I need a little bit lower than that.
Really nice pullback here. Perfect reaction at the top. Keep going a little bit lower, more.
That's 80. Yes. If not, 66, 68, 66, 70, something like that. Next up. We could possibly hold 74, but I think we're in a 70-ish maybe.
Hi, I'm looking at gold if we're gonna hold this area again and hold pre-market, or we're gonna slide down to 90.
Okay, I like this hold on Enki. I'm gonna try it out. Yeah, I wanna see this candlestick low holding. Ah, let's see. Mm-mm. Yep, I like that hold. I wanna see it holding there.
Gold seems to be holding this little area. Right
I don't wanna
below
know
VWAP
anything
though.
about gold.
Yeah, I'm sorry.
I'm not
It is
touching that
holding, but the
thing.
5 minutes is not. It's not that strong.
Not a strong hold. No. It's consolidating right below VWAP on the 2-minute.
I want to
So if it
see.
reclaims VWAP, then
Hey, how you doing below 4100?
what's that?
I want to see a hey, how you doing below 4100?
Yeah.
Ah, I don't like that
You
move.
might get it right now.
Listen.
No, 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 no.
Come on, bounce. Yeah, I'm out. I don't like this. Ah,
Interested in this 810, 800, but it
Am
would
I
be
gonna
a.
get the 800 in NQ?
I'm looking at 810, 800. That's what I'm looking for. It's also a 2-minute fair value gap that kind of falls into there.
I don't
The
like
selling
how
is
both
a lot
SPY
a
and
lot of pressure
QQQ
though. So
broke the VWAP. And the
Don't stop
30-minute
lying.
candles are not looking bullish at all. No.
There's your hey, how you doing? Right below 4100.
Yep, I just got into 2 micros. I'm gonna build a position because I'm gonna open my stop below 80.
oh geez, Gold, I didn't even see you. What happened? Why you do that?
He's doing a hey, how you doing?
Yeah, no kidding. Jeez Louise. Really want to see this kind of 70-ish area hold on ES if you want any sort of
Yep. Mm-hmm.
long hope here. Which you might, right? Like there's a chance. We're at 800 on NQ. A chance that holds.
I'm sorry, MU. Wow.
Whoa.
Oh, it doesn't hold. All the way back to orb high at 60? Thank you. Well, man, if we lose 68 on ES, oh boy. Oh
Yeah,
boy.
this is not a pullback. This is pretty much giving back half of the move.
Yeah, well, if we lose 68, we're going to go for the whole move. Man, well, that quick little pop to take out my runner at 20, 920 now feels real bad. It's terrible. Oh boy. It's unfortunate.
And we were like, we're not taking shorts on a day like today. Look how
Yep.
fast everything
And there
changed.
was the short.
Can ES hold here? Let's see.
A little lower.
Oops. Okay. 720 is the next support that I see. 730, 720 is the next support that I see on NQ.
Looking relentless.
And that's the golden pockets on Phipps. 720, 730.
That's a horrible 1 hour candle on gold. I'm sorry. That looks really bad.
Look at that push down. If we lose 68, we're in trouble. We are in trouble. Mayday, mayday. Evacuate.
Oh shoot! NQ dropped hard.
Yeah.
Evacuate. I will say watch 60 now. Right here. Right here. And pray.
I'm watching 735, 720, pre-market high. Get the chopper. His move is crazy.
Yeah, VIX woke up
This
with
is
a
why we
vengeance.
cannot hold our positions for too long in this market.
See profit, take profit.
Yep.
Oh boy. Oh boy. 60, what you gonna do?
Oh my god, show me what you want me to do.
Ooh, Bitcoin's going down. Microsoft getting
I want to see Bitcoin
Microsoft's
at
getting hit.
7, back to 70. What is the level that I have alerts? Yeah, 80, 70, 80 and 70. If it goes to 80 or 70, 60, I'm gonna buy Bitcoin like crazy. In fact, I should
Where's it at
start
right now?
buying here.
What's Bitcoin sitting at right now?
89.
89.
Buy you one.
89?
Yeah.
So I don't look at Bitcoin often. Last I checked, wasn't it like 115?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah,
Now,
it's
granted,
coming.
Yeah, I
It's
think it's
at
a.
support on the weekly.
I think it's a great opportunity to start buying. Like, I don't see a reason why not to start buying Bitcoin. This is not financial advice.
here comes the disclaimer.
Yeah.
But if it happens, let me know. I will join them. If 4100 is reclaim on gold, I will add to my position.
Yeah, I'm gonna start buying Bitcoin. I'm gonna add more if it goes to 80,000 and then 70 and then 60. I'll sell my apartment and buy Bitcoin.
Damn, that's nasty on gold.
We're gonna hold 60. That'd be mighty interesting.
$720, $735. What I'm looking for on NQ. Yes, rejecting 670. Okay, guys, I'm done. Done for today. Well, I'm done with the stream. I'm hungry. I want to go eat something,
Okay,
get
go
something
eat.
for breakfast, then off to the gym. So I'll see you guys mañana. Bye.
Sounds good.
Later.
Have a great day.
Right.
Remember to
Guys,
like
I
the video,
added to the
guys.
gold long.
I'll be here again tomorrow. Thank you. Bye.